Hi, and thanks for your interest in Busrkro products. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at our BK700 Inkjet controller. Our BK700 Inkjet controller offers the flexibility to work inline on various types of transportation systems, including printing presses. In today's application, we're going to be creating a lottery ticket. The press is responsible for printing all of the static areas on the ticket. This would include any static text, logos, or background images. And the Busrkro system is responsible for printing the rest. This would include any variable information under the scratch-off zones or any other variable information that is visible on the ticket. This could include text, images, or barcodes. We're now going to take our first look at the Busrkro system running on the press. In front of us, you can see the encoder wheel mounted on one of the rollers. On the top of the printhead stand, you can see the photo eye. The photo eye is detecting black marks that have been applied by the press. These trigger marks, in conjunction with the encoder, tell the Busrkro system exactly where and when to print. The ticket information is now complete. Now we're going to take a look at how the press applies 2 layers of scratch-off material over the variable prize information that was printed with the Busrkro system. The press then cuts a continuous paper roll into sheet-sized pieces. Other types of die cutting or perforations could have been performed here. These sheets are then feathered and collected at the trail end of the press. Now we get our chance to take a look at the completed piece. The yellow zones on this piece indicate the areas that have been printed with the Busrkro system. The green arrows point to Busrkro print that has been covered with the lottery scratch-off material. If you look in the upper right corner, you'll notice that there's a red arrow. This is pointing to the photo eye trigger mark. In this application, each sheet from the press has 3 tickets on it. These tickets would then be cut to size and distributed in booklet form. Today's application focused on our BK700 controller with 2 BK792 Atlas Monet printheads. The Busrkro BK700 controller is capable of operating up to 4 BK792 printheads, offering up to 10¼ inches of vertical print at 200 dpi. Our controller is capable of operating up to 8 inches of vertical print with either our Atlas printheads at 256 dpi or our Apollo HP printheads at 600 dpi. We also have the flexibility to print with 2 technologies at the same time. With multiple configurations like 5-up or 8-up, you can quickly increase your output to over 300,000 pieces per hour. Thanks again for your interest in Busrkro products.